what is the Attorney General seeking to prove? Unfortunately, he's seeing this as a personal victory or defeat, which should not be. What we are taught in law school is that we
I
need
listened to him on some of the interviews, on Ours, for example, and he believes that Adonoo Forson did wrong, and to deter, you know, corruption and all that, he has to go through the
but
regardless of who he is.
It's for him to make his case, and it's for the court to determine. He has made his case, and a court higher than the High Court, and with quote-unquote more experience and more judges, say that no, you are not right. I must also say that Justice Ifiasewa, who is a trial court judge at the High Court, is actually a Court of Appeal judge as well. So she's sitting at the High Court as an additional High Court judge. A lot of them are mates. Akaboafu, Justice Akaboafu also came from the High Court not too long ago, and all of that. So it is not, I mean, it's not for him to say. His is to make the charge and leave the rest to the system. The system will mean the court, the defense, etc. And all of that have come together, and they have determined that no, on a 2:1 basis, you are wrong, or you couldn't make a case against the guy. Yeah, you can appeal, but and you know he believes in this case. Everybody believes in this case.
Personal.
He may disagree, and it's not every time that you take what people say to be the truth. But he sees this case, in my view, as a personal thing. He's too emotionally attached to this case, to the extent that for the first time in our criminal jurisprudence, what's the name? An accused person is found in communication with the Attorney General. And the Attorney General, at some point in the communication, appeared to be coaching the accused person he will be interrogating or cross-examining later to tell the court, to lie to the court that he was sick or he is sick, so this is a medical excuse duty, etc. It has never happened before, all right? It has never happened before. And the judge, the trial court judge, you know, in choosing her words, said that she would strongly advise that the Attorney General should recuse himself. Yeah. That's how, the judge could not say he should recuse himself. That he would strongly advise that the Attorney General should recuse himself. Attorney General can't say, well, it was just an advice, so piece of advice, so he will treat it as such. Yeah. It doesn't happen that way. You know, elsewhere, things would have happened. Leave the case. You don't have to appear in court necessarily. Before your people come to court, you have meetings, conference with them. That is the direction you want to go. This is what I expect ABC. You don't have to appear in court yourself. After that, you come to court yourself to conduct cases, to conduct cross-examination in respect of this same case. I think it lowers the bar a bit. And it fits into the perception people have of him that he's the most political Attorney General this republic has seen. When you look at the Attorney Generals we've had, right? We've had Attorney Generals like Obeda Samoa. We've had Attorney Generals like Papo Usankuma. We've had Ayuko Otu. We've had Ben Kumbo. We've had Amidu. We've had Gloria Kufu. We've had Marietta Brew. I mean, when you look at all of these people and you look at how his approach is, he may be a very sharp and intelligent guy, but is that really what we are seeing in the conduct of cases? Is it not being too political or being too partisan? That's the question people have asked. And he may be playing into the hands of those people if he doesn't take a back seat and look at things from a more objective viewpoint.